Okay, here I am just taking off the panel. I'm going to be taking this outlet and elbow back off, removing that wood block, and I'm going to be mounting it back on the wall using some conduit hangers. Just looking at it, I wasn't happy with how that was looking. It didn't look professional, and just really wasn't up to my standards of work. Here I am just trying to get that nut off the back of the conduit in order to get that off. The thing was really being a pain. I don't know why it was taking me so long to get it off. I guess I really cranked it on there the first time. So I'm going to end up using a different knockout on the panel here. That will leave a hole in my panel, but I'm going to fill that up with a knockout cover. They're pretty cool. They just press right into the hole, and it's kind of like nothing ever happened. Okay, so I got that other knockout hole opened up. Just doing a little filing. Had a little burr on it. Wanted to get that cleaned off. Just kind of reworking it here a little bit more. I guess that was a funny text message. I can't remember, but must have been something good. Taking this wood block off. Gonna be some little holes in the foundation wall, but that's no big deal. Just making sure my box is level here, making a mark on either side of the conduit, so I got a nice center line for when I drill this hole for the conduit anchor. Had to kick the power back onto the house and then kick it back off again real quick so I could drill that hole. So here I am putting this conduit anchor on. Rookie mistake for me. When I put it on, the way that the screw goes in, and the screw link goes in through one side, and I put that side up against the box. So when I go to install the screw, I actually had to go search long and hard for a little stubby screwdriver so I could get that screw in there. Kind of a pain, but that was definitely a learning experience for me, and that's something that I was kind of cognizant moving forward on, making sure that I put those screws on the side where I would have access to it. So you can already tell, I mean, the box is held off the wall just a hair, about the ½ inch that the conduit anchor holds it off the wall. But it's a cleaner install, looks a lot better, and I'm really glad that I just undid some work and redid what I was doing. And there was me figuring out that I made a mistake and I'm not going to be able to get the impact in there to get that screwed through. So I'm just going to button everything up here, get the panel cover back installed. So in building this house, wiring everything, huge learning experience for me, and I feel like I came away with a lot of knowledge and a lot of respect for the people that do this stuff day in and day out. Gonna mount up another anchor here for my conduit. It's gonna go up into the floor joist cavity, and then from there the wire is going to run in. I have a track system that all my wires run in. It's like a chase, a wire chase. Zipping through that conduit real quick, cleaning off some of the burrs. Don't want anything to get through that Romex coating. Once again, making some marks so I got a reference point to put my next conduit anchors in. Make sure you level that conduit going up. You want it to look clean, and then make sure that it matches, the 6 other level pipes that are right next to it. I don't know what that little flash was about there, but yeah, getting these last 2 conduit anchors installed. Got my conduit ran through the wire. You see a bunch of wires coming through there, so I don't have my last piece of the wire channel, the wire tray run. And then where the wires make a turn to go into the outlet boxes there, or into the service panel, I've actually ended up putting a piece of wood up there so it holds it all above the foundation level. And then I'm going to show you a quick picture here of the finished install, what the outlet looks like installed, and then how I kind of set up my networking center.